Oh, sorry, Dave.
But they can feel like no one is gonna come and take him. But they can say that no one is gonna interrupt the bullshit. They are supporting ISIS. They are keeping the shit down. They're keeping the head down. And they are not fighting. Whenever they say they are fighting, they're telling you that fight is
Nobody
not
can fire me. Nope.
This is the most violent This is who you serve. You do not serve America. You serve a man that will soon be dead of his own.
Why are you in riot here? I don't see no riot
Once that
here.
man dies, you will have no heaven.
Why are you in riot here?
Why are you in riot here?
I don't see no riot here.
To the American people.